Thank you for joining me for inversion seat practice. If you have any medical issues, high blood pressure, glaucoma, neck, spine injuries, etc., check with your doctor first. Now let's get started with some stretches. Roll your shoulders, side lunges, feel that stretch. A sitting child's pose. And of course, some really nice deep breaths. And feel that stretch. Now to whip my hair in front and to move into the first inversion position, into the relaxing pose in order to gain some stability. Continue with more stretches. This is the straddle. Remain strong. Your hands firm, yet relaxed on the seat. Your confidence builds as you continue with the strength of these exercises. Wonderful for the core. And I'll move into the double stag there. And then into the inverted half split, both the left and the right leg. There's some really good benefits to using an inversion process. Some of them include blood circulation to your heart, your brain, throughout, even for your spine. On the other hand, there are some drawbacks too. Just do your research. Now back to the relaxing pose and to maintain some balance. Stretch up. Let's straddle again. And to finish, and move right into some deep breathing, some stretches. What an accomplishment. We did it. Now you can go about in the rest of your day and just know that you made a great accomplishment this morning. Join me again.